In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dictate in Microsoft OneNote. Dictation lets you speak and have OneNote type for you, which is perfect when your hands are busy or you simply think faster than you type. Modern versions of OneNote, including the Windows app, the web version, and Microsoft 365 editions, include a built-in dictate tool. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account. You have a working microphone, and your internet connection is stable. If you're prompted to allow microphone access, choose Allow so OneNote can hear you. A quiet space and a headset mic can also improve accuracy. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to the page where you want the text to appear. Place your cursor where the first line should go so OneNote knows exactly where to start typing. Next, head to the Home tab at the top of the window. On the far right of the ribbon, click the ellipsis to reveal more options. In that menu, select the Dictate button, which looks like a small microphone. You'll see a listening indicator appear. When it shows that dictation is ready, begin speaking in a clear, natural voice. OneNote will convert your speech to text as you talk. Give it short, well-formed phrases, and pause briefly between sentences to help the service keep up. If you like, you can say punctuation such as period, comma, or question mark, or you can add punctuation later with the keyboard. Watch the words appear in real time, and if the tool mishears something, just stop for a moment and make a quick correction with your mouse and keyboard, then continue speaking. When you're finished, click Stop Dictation to turn the microphone off. Your text remains on the page, ready for formatting, copying, or sharing like any other OneNote content. If you need to take a break mid-thought, you can stop dictation, gather your ideas, and start it again from the same place using the same Dictate button. A few quick tips to get the best results. Speak at a steady pace, avoid talking over others nearby, and keep the microphone a comfortable distance from your mouth to reduce plosives and background noise. Because dictation runs through online speech services, a consistent network connection helps keep transcription snappy and accurate. That's all you need to use voice typing in OneNote. Open your page, go to Home, choose Dictate from the ellipsis menu, speak clearly, and click Stop when you're done. Give it a try on Windows or the web and let OneNote do the typing for you.